You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this town in Pennsylvania. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting names of famous places around the US, and more words and names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Punxsutawney. Punxsutawney is how you say it correctly. It's easy once you know Punxsutawney, and now you know. More videos here for you on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get wrong. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.